Look at those bleeding red charts. Traditional saving is dead. Gen Z is dumping normal budgets. They hunt extreme returns now. The old financial playbook is trash. Welcome to the Wild West. Look at your feed. Kids screaming about Moneymaxxing. It sounds like internet brain rot, but it is not. This is aggressive income optimization, mutating from a niche online trend into a massive cultural movement. Forget old budgeting. Skipping coffee saves pennies. Moneymaxxing changes game. Stop cutting tiny expenses. Launch side hustles. Build new revenue streams. Attack market, do not defend wallet. Grow big now. Advisors dissect strategy. Moneymaxxing shifts focus. Safe savings die. Aggressive investment optimization rules now. Hunt maximum yield. High risk, extreme reward. Old finance rules broken. Watch portfolio explode. Wealth grows fast. Experts warn, push too hard, you break. Extreme optimization is a trap. Burnout destroys all your hard-earned progress in an instant. Look at these balanced strategies instead. You must protect your energy to win long-term. Look at these numbers. Creators flash net worth trackers to prove real gains. They do not just brag, they share these exact templates, building loyal communities. Grab the templates. Watch your wealth grow. Look at this. Social media is burning up. Regular kids are posting massive gains, turning pocket change into fortunes overnight. The hype is real, and everyone wants a piece of the action. Suit and tie banks panic. They launch massive ad campaigns. They warn kids, crypto and meme stocks destroy futures. Play safe, they scream, but youth do not listen. The old guard fights for survival. Live TV debate explodes. Young influencers mock old advisors. Traditional banks offer tiny yields. Aggressive strategies promise massive wealth. Old guard sweats, struggles to defend dead savings accounts. Watch clash of financial generations. Watchdogs are finally cracking down on the wild west of online finance. New, brutal rules aim to silence the Moneymaxxing gurus manipulating the markets. The party is over. Who will they target next? Gurus are vanishing from public feeds. They are building private Discord servers, sharing secret investment plays hidden from government eyes. They want control. Will you follow them into the dark? Desperate followers pay massive fees for private chat access. Now, they risk all remaining savings on unverified tips. One bad trade wipes them out completely. Will they ever recover? Handcuffs click. The Moneymaxxing gurus are going to jail. Behind them, a trail of ruined lives and empty bank accounts. Now, furious followers want their money back, but is there anything left to recover? They lost everything chasing fake promises. Now they rebuild from ashes. No hype, no overnight riches. They choose slow, steady growth. True wealth takes time. Will you join them on quiet path? Moneymaxxing empire collapsed. Easy riches burned to ash. Now, choice is yours. Will you chase fast hype and lose everything, or build slow, real wealth that lasts? Tell me below.